Today I would like to do a room tour. I haven't finished cleaning the room yet, but I got free time now, so I think I better do it now rather than delay it into later because the room will never be in perfect condition. So let's do it. So yeah, this is my room. I actually have a door, and when I open the door, this the room, and this is the toilet. The basket where I put my used clothes. I mean, like the dirty clothes for the laundry. And this one is the toilet. Yeah. Then this is my bed. The rock. I'm in love with rock. If I have money, I will buy a lot of rock. And dạ chờ con xíu nha mẹ. My mom. Yeah, it's lunch time. But I'm gonna do this quick, so I will make it fast and I will go downstairs and have lunch with my mom. Yeah. This one is the cup that I bought from Canada. It's the used one, the second-hand mark. And this one is the embroidery. It's called Hôm nay là một ngày tuyệt vời, which means today is a wonderful day. And this is the bed. You know, I don't use a thick bag, but I use a topper, and then I cover it up with one layer of blanket. Of course, I have another blanket, but it's in laundry now. And then here is another rock. The book that I haven't finished, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. And yeah, here's Vishnu, you know. This one is a gift from my friend, Swami Vishnu Devananda. This one is my watch. I think like I don't have enough money to change the battery anymore because you know, my voice is only on one watch only, so you don't have to waste money on changing the battery. And my trees. This the book and the photos of me on the rooftop of my grandparents' house in the north in Thái Bình province. Thái Bình. Yeah. Bluetooth. So you know, I put this one to cover up so I don't have to clean it up. I just have to wash the cloth and then it's done. And under the bed, you know, I put cloth, and this one is books. I put books under my bed and I cover it up to avoid the dust. And I put socks under my bed as well. Another rock, you see? This one. It's my niece. I haven't sorted out yet. After her trip, I I will put it back into her room. Yeah, just leave it here. And my treats. The window, this the view, my guitar, the tapestry, and the fan. Actually, I can store things up there, but I don't, cause I have I need a ladder to climb up, and I'm very lazy, so I clean up all the storage and didn't put anything inside. This one is the wardrobe of my niece, actually. This one, my niece drew it. It was in the exhibition of the kindergarten like long time ago, like more than 10 years ago. And you know what? We hang clothes to dry outside. Another treat. I think that's it. Let's see an overview of my room then. I think I will. I'm not very good at filming, you know. This is an overview of my room. It's very shaky. Yeah. Okay, this one. I think this is the most my most favorite view of the room. Okay, it's time for lunch now. Thank you for watching.